Silt-Saver is proud to present the Silt Fence Outlet. The Silt Fence Outlet is a performance-based, non-erosional outlet that replaces traditional silt fence dewatering and overflow outlets. Since the 1980s, the sediment control industry has recognized the need for non-erosional outlets to be designed into the perimeter sediment barriers as an effective means for dewatering. The dewatering practice prepares the silt fence for subsequent storms and minimizes the chance of overtopping or periods of excessive ponding. Long slope lengths and large drainage areas make this practice even more critical to best management practices that are effective at preventing sediment loss during land disturbance activities. Rarely do sites have sufficient temporary or permanent storage volumes to contain the expected runoff volume associated with a design storm event. The International Erosion Control Association, IECA, recently published a design guide for silt fence. The guide focuses on the means to control the volume and velocity of runoff from a design storm event. One practice recommended by the IECA Design Guide is the use of dewatering board and V-notch weir to release excess runoff based on the expected peak flow at the perimeter. Another practice commonly used in some states is the hardware cloth and stone used as a silt fence break. While these practices are more effective than allowing uncontrolled overtopping of a perimeter sediment barrier, both have significant challenges. Each requires heavy equipment to install and remove. Limited stormwater release widths will cause the released stormwater to become concentrated flow that will increase scouring outside the perimeter line. Maintenance on each requires the use of heavy equipment, which will destroy established vegetation. The Silt-Saver Silt Fence Outlet is easily installed and removed without heavy machinery. Additional units may be combined to increase dewatering width. The durable and easily maintained outlet is a multi-component system with each piece contributing to the performance of the system, providing structural integrity, controlled stormwater release, and sediment retention. The Silt Fence Outlet is pre-assembled with solid oak hardwood stakes spaced 2 feet apart for enhanced structural integrity. The attached underlayment consists of a front water seal buried and solid stapled into the ground and a rear scour guard. The attached underlayment will prevent undermining. Compression tubes filled with killed dried wood chips are held in place with compression stakes. The compression tubes take the initial impact of stormwater and sediment, adding to the full system structural integrity and deterring undermining. The filter fabric is constructed with 2-stage technology with an attached underlayment. Stage 1, closest to the ground, is a non-woven filter fabric which provides greater sediment retention. Stage 2, above the halfway point, provides controlled stormwater release and filtration using high visibility, high flow green mesh, which provides greater than 1,100 gallons per minute per square foot clear water flow. The 2-stage filter fabric is secured to the stakes with bonding strips. The sewn-in top belt gives linear support, completing the enhanced structural integrity of the system. The pre-assembled Silt Fence Outlet is sold as a kit to ensure quality control and consistency of installation. The kit includes all parts needed to install and attach to perimeter fencing. Want to learn more? Register for our performance-based erosion and sediment control webinar, or call now to order yours.